We are now getting a better look at the damage from Matthew it caused when it roared right through the Bahamas.
Our own Amy Viteri rode out that storm in Nassau. She joins us live now with a look at this day after. Amy.
Well, weather-wise, what a difference a day makes, Lori and Calvin. It is a beautiful day here. Hard to believe this is where we were standing just a day ago, seeing the effects of Hurricane Matthew. But don't let this beautiful weather fool you. We found plenty of damage and flooding all over New Providence, and today people here are still assessing the impact. South of Nassau on New Providence Island, many chose to leave their homes rather than wait out Hurricane Matthew.
From what we can see right now is a total devastation.
This is what Dale Brown found when he checked on his home in the island's South Beach area. Well, there were boards on these windows, but the force of those winds ripped the wooden boards right off, and you can see broke out the glass. And I want to show you the water levels here. Inside the house, the water levels were at about 2 feet, but look outside where I'm standing. You can tell it's about waist high. Boats that were in the water Wednesday night, hundreds of feet inland, carried by Matthew's winds and rising water.
Got us down through on the corner down there. It came rocking from out of the sea.
In Nassau, the wind sent the roof of this gas station crashing down. All over the island, we found roads flooded and large trees down. But Friday's calm, sunny weather brought tourists back outside.
You would never think that we had what we had yesterday, looking at the weather today. It's just so sad, you know, all the trees that have come down.
And we are getting some good information out of here as well. Bahamian officials tell me there are no confirmed reports of any deaths here from Hurricane Matthew. Several airports throughout the islands are scheduled to reopen tomorrow, including right here in Nassau. Live in Nassau, Amy Viteri, Local 10 News.
Okay, Amy, thanks a lot.